Hi and welcome back. In this video, we learn about software development lifecycle. Software development lifecycle comes into picture when we need to develop a new software from the scratch. Let us understand software development lifecycle through the diagram below. It includes the following phases as shown. The first phase is planning, then design, then the third phase is implementation, test, deployment, and maintenance. Now let us understand it one by one. What happens in the first phase, that is plan? So the first phase is plan, which or analysis. Before a new project starts, requirements gathering is done along with documentation. Meetings with the client, internal and external experts and managers is carried out for technical and financial feasibility. When we get a new project, we do not start working on it randomly. In the first phase, we do the analysis and understand what is to be done. So here our focus is to understand everything and make sure whether the client and the developers are on the same page. So we focus on what is to be done. Once it is clear, we move to the next phase, that is design. In the design phase, we identify the best solutions to create the software. In other words, our focus here is to determine how the software is to be made. Once it is finalized how the software is to be created, we move on to the next phase and develop the software. So the next phase is implementation, where the software development team starts working on the project and writes the code. Once the code is completed and when the developers feel that the software is made, they pass it on to the QA team for testing. In the next phase, the testing team tests the module and makes sure whether it is error-free and meets the customer requirements. In the testing phase, the team goes through software testing lifecycle. Okay, and once they give the go ahead that the software is working according to the requirements, we move on to the next stage, that is deployment. Once the software is ready to be shipped to the customers, it is deployed as a production or beta depending on the deployment plan. Now, if you don't know what is production or beta, no need to worry. Here, in this phase, you only need to think that the software is given to the end users and it is deployed to the end customers. Once it is done, the next phase is maintenance. In the maintenance phase, along with other tasks, the team fixes bugs, resolves customer issues, and manages software changes. In addition, the team monitors overall system performance, security, and user experience to identify new ways to improve the existing software. In short, once the software goes to the end user, it is in monitoring stage and whatever issues are found, those issues are resolved and again given back to the testing team and they test the software and deployment happens. So in the maintenance phase, we monitor the software for any further changes to be done in the software or not, and if yes, then it is fixed and again deployed for the end users. So this is all about the software development lifecycle. Now let us understand what is software testing lifecycle in the next video. Thank you.